Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC Red Seal License Practice Questions. Multiple choice set number 39. Yes, we have gone this far. One more and it'll be set 40. And there's more coming. Alright, starting with number 1. 1. When pressure on liquid increases, the boiling temperature A increases, B is unchanged, C decreases, D 0. Correct answer is A increases. What is the state of the refrigerant leaving the metering device? A cold, B saturated, C heated, D atomized. Correct answer is B saturated. Number 3. If refrigeration load and suction pressure remains constant, a decrease in condensing pressure means blank refrigerant flow. A fixed amount, B increased, C reduced, D 0. Correct answer is C reduced. Temperature of Cascade heat exchanger is A minus 40, B minus 4, C 40, or D 4. Correct answer is minus 40C. Some Cascade systems can even exceed that value, but this is typical. Number 5. Size length of condensate trap is blank towards furnace. A 1/3 inch per foot, B 1/2 inch per foot, C 1/8 inch per foot, or D 1/4 inch per foot. Correct answer is D 1/4 inch per foot. Cascade refrigeration systems needed in very low temperature to the order of minus 80 C are used in applications such as A. Hospitals, B. Environmental test chambers, C. Ultra low temperature freezers, ULT, Peltier coolers, cryogenic systems, or all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. These are the main applications of the Cascade refrigeration system right there. Yeah, minus 80 C is a very low temperature. Number 7. The main advantage of Cascade refrigeration system: A. Achieve very low temperature, B. Multiple refrigerants can be used, C. Refrigeration effect can be enormously increased, or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. These are the main advantages of a Cascade refrigeration system. Number 8. How do you check functionality and the elapsed time of an oil failure control to lock the compressor out while the compressor is running? A. Disconnect wire from terminal L, B. Disconnect wire from terminal M, C. Connect jumper to terminals L and M and measure elapsed time, or D. Connect jumper to terminals 1 and 2 and measure elapsed time? Correct answer is D. Connect jumper to terminals 1 and 2 and measure elapsed time. Okay, number 9. Last question. What is the purpose of an expansion tank in a hot water system? A. Provide an extra space to allow the volume of water in the system to change in order to maintain working pressure. B. Handle thermal expansion of water. C. Prevent excessive water pressure. D. Protect plumbing pipes, valves, and fixtures and joints from high pressure. Correct answer is E. All of the above. These are the main purpose of the expansion tank in a hot water system. So I hope you learned something out of this and wish you all the best in your review. Successfully pass your Red Seal exam. Cheers and have a good one.